Hey guys, so I just applied my last round of fall fertilizer. I did half a dose a couple weeks ago, and then I just did my second half dose of the Menards Fall Fertilizer. So I wanted to show you just how well I think it's working. We've had a lot of rain too, so that's helped, but just the color difference with the neighbor's lawn, they don't do anything. So at least I don't think so. I don't really take care of it, but it's looking really good. So I'm pretty satisfied with what I've done this fall. Started in August with late August with some weed and feed, a couple different applications of that, and then my fall dose of 2 fertilizer applications with higher nitrogen content. So you can see the property line difference with just how vibrant this green is looking. It's looking really good, so really satisfied with it. You can see that patch back here is where I seeded a couple months ago, about a month and a half ago or so. So that came in really nicely, but just wanted to show you how well it's working, and the color looks really good. This is unfiltered, so as you can see, it's looking really good. So pretty satisfied with that, and that's pretty much it. I'll probably do one more cut, maybe one more cut. Not exactly sure, but just kind of want to show you guys progress and how well it's looking this fall. So stay tuned for more videos, and hope you guys have a great winter.